In this video, we're going to talk about Lake Baikal. Deep in the heart of Siberia, there's a natural wonder that absolutely shatters records and just defies imagination. It's a place that holds a fifth of our planet's fresh water and guards millions of years of Earth's history in its crystal clear depths. This is the story of the world's oldest and deepest lake. Okay, so let's dive right in. Before we get to the mind-blowing numbers and the unique creatures that call this place home, let's start by pinpointing exactly where this magnificent lake is on the map. So picture this giant crack in the Earth's crust. That's called a rift valley. And right there, cradled between towering mountain ranges in southern Siberia, you'll find Baikal. It really is less like a lake and more like a massive inland sea. And get this, over 330 rivers pour into it, but all of that incredible volume of water has only one single exit, the Angara River. But to truly grasp how special Baikal is, we've got to look at the numbers. Because this isn't just a big lake, it's a record breaker in pretty much every category you can think of. Just look at that number, 23,615 cubic kilometers. It's a figure that's almost impossible to wrap your head around. This is the largest volume of fresh water on the entire planet, all sitting right there in one single basin. To put that into perspective, Baikal alone holds about 20 to 23% of all the world's unfrozen fresh surface water. That's about as much water as all 5 of the Great Lakes in North America: Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario, all combined. 1 lake versus 5. Incredible. And the records don't stop there. At 25 to 30 million years old, it is the most ancient lake on the planet. This immense age is so important because it's given life here millions of years to evolve in total isolation. And it's not some static relic either. It's still actively growing as that rift valley underneath it slowly pulls apart, making the lake just a little bit wider every single year. The lake is so huge that it's actually divided into 3 distinct basins. And while the average depths are already pretty immense, it's that central basin that just plunges down to a staggering maximum depth of 1,642 meters. That's over a mile straight down. This makes it, without a doubt, the deepest lake in the world. So you've got the size, the age, the depth, but Baikal is also famous for its unbelievable clarity. The water is so pure, thanks to its unique ecosystem that's constantly filtering it, that on a calm day, you can see down an astonishing 40 meters. That's like peering from the roof of a 13-story building and seeing the ground perfectly. So when you take this incredible age, its immense depth, and its total geographic isolation, all that comes together to create something truly special, a one-of-a-kind evolutionary incubator. Baikal is basically a natural laboratory, unlike anywhere else on Earth. And the result of all that isolation is just staggering. An incredible 84% of the animal species living in Lake Baikal are endemic. Now what that means is that they are found nowhere else on the entire planet. They evolved right here, and they exist only here. Among these unique creatures is the Baikal seal, also known as the Nerpa. It is the only seal species in the world that lives exclusively in freshwater, thousands of kilometers away from any ocean. How it originally got there is still a fascinating scientific mystery. The lake is also home to some truly fascinating fish. On the left, you can see the golayanka, this strange, translucent fish that's made of about 30% oil, which helps it survive the crushing pressures of the deep. And on the right, that's the omul, a type of white fish that's a famous local delicacy. And yet, both are found only in Baikal. After seeing all of its wonders, we have to kind of pause and ask a more serious question about the future of this really unique place. And the answer, unfortunately, is yes. As more and more people discover this remote paradise, the pressures from tourism and unregulated construction are really starting to leave a mark on its fragile ecosystem. This is a pretty stark warning from observers, and it highlights a growing crisis. Even a body of water as immense as Baikal isn't immune to the pressures of the modern world, and pollution is now a very serious threat to its unique purity. So what's causing this? Well, the primary threats are man-made. There's been a massive boom in tourism, which puts a huge strain on the local environment. A significant challenge is human waste, with many new hotels and cottages being built on sensitive waterfront land without the necessary sewage infrastructure to handle the impact. Okay, to wrap things up, let's look at a few more amazing facts that really just make Lake Baikal so extraordinary. Its water is pure enough that you can drink it straight from the lake. It literally creates its own weather, including these powerful named winds that sweep across its surface. In the winter, the ice gets so thick you can drive on it. And beneath the lake bed, there are massive deposits of frozen methane gas, all in a region that humans have called home for over 24,000 years. So ultimately, Lake Baikal is way more than just a body of water. It's a living museum of evolution and a priceless global treasure. It serves as this incredible reminder of the planet's ancient past and our profound responsibility to protect it. Alright, that is it for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.